Hello there. Welcome to this exciting module on cloud computing. Today, we're diving into three foundational topics that will set the stage for your understanding of this transformative technology. By the end, we'll have shifted our focus to one of the most powerful cloud service providers on Earth, Amazon Web Services, or AWS. Here's what we'll explore together. 1. Introduction to cloud computing. 2. Advantages of cloud computing. 3. Introduction to Amazon Web Services, AWS. Let's start with the basics. What is cloud computing? Simply put, it's the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, databases, and software over the internet, what we call the cloud. Instead of owning physical hardware or managing data centers, you get instant access to these services from a provider, paying only for what you use. Some everyday examples of cloud services you might already know. Storing files on Google Drive or Dropbox. Hosting a website or app. Using software like Gmail without installing it. Cloud computing also offers flexibility in how services are deployed. Public cloud. Shared resources available to multiple users. Private cloud, dedicated to a single organization for added control. Hybrid cloud, a mix of public and private models for maximum versatility. Now, why is cloud computing such a game changer? Let me break it down. Cost efficiency. You pay only for what you use, no upfront costs for expensive hardware. Scalability. Need more resources during a high traffic period? The cloud scales up or down instantly. Flexibility. Work from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. Reliability. Providers offer high availability and redundancy to keep your services running smoothly. Security. Industry-leading encryption and firewall technologies keep your data safe. Faster deployment. Launch applications or services in minutes instead of weeks. Finally, let's talk about AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is the world's most comprehensive and widely adopted cloud platform, offering over 200 services. Here are some examples of what AWS provides. Compute, virtual servers with EC2, or serverless computing with Lambda. Storage, scalable options like S3 for object storage or EBS for block storage. Databases, fully managed databases like RDS or DynamoDB. Networking, tools like VPC for creating virtual networks or Route 53 for domain management. Why choose AWS? With a global infrastructure, unmatched scalability, cost efficiency, and advanced security features, AWS is the top choice for businesses and individuals alike. So why not start exploring? As you subscribe and hit the notification button as never to miss an episode. See you on the next one.